go. We're not? Okay, now we are, right? We're live!
Good morning,
Good
everybody.
morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Post live.
All right, while we wait for a couple people to get on here and wait for my new music to download, let's talk about what happened over the weekend. So, Trump ordered strikes on Iran. Let's see how that wants to affect the market. We got a couple news events coming up today as well. Oh, yeah. Little morning volatility. Love.
Good morning, Luis.
I believe the Strait of Hormuz is closed as well. That all happened.
Yeah, it's open, but then it's closed, but then it's open, but then it's closed.
Now it's formally closed. Okay.
Let me chart here. Previous weekly low and previous weekly high. So we're inside, but we're kind of like inside this bar. We're tapping into this daily gap. Let's see if we have enough reaction to trade higher out of this daily gap.
Yeah, I mean, I'd like to see like the gap close from yesterday.
It makes sense if that happens. But if we close below the daily gap, then we should just go lower out of this. We have a 4-hour gap that needs to be filled, so that's a good target today as well. We have 2 targets so far. If we go to the hourly, we're holding this daily. Let me just put this on a different color. That's the daily, right? And now we have this hourly here that is holding so far at 9:30, which is this one. Looks good. I guess if 9:30 gives me like a 5-minute gap to take a trade with, I'll take it. Hopefully we have like okay, so ES is kind of flying. We have SMT on the lows. Oh my god, what are we doing? Look at ES and YM and look at NQ. Yeah, even YM is pushing. Doesn't make any sense though. So we have this 5-minute. I guess if we go back above the opening print out of this movement right here, because we're putting in SMT, this is the daily gap and this is the hourly. If we go back above the opening print, which is 9:30 price, and we inverse this 5-minute, it's gonna give me the option to take a long. So there's a 4-hour gap and everything else. Other than that, it doesn't make any sense. If it is not this, it doesn't make any sense.
We're gonna try out a new song.
You're gonna try a new song? Hope your back is better today, Abby. Yeah. Every day is better.
Okay, I don't like the song. Guys, I don't like the song. We're not doing the song. All right. Now that we did that, so we have CPI and PPI this week. I think on like Tuesday, Wednesday. I feel like today's like not gonna be a good day to trade, but we're doing it anyways. Let me know.
I mean, we keep it here and not trading trades.
Stephanie, where you at? Are you here yet?
I didn't get. I mean, but should you get your zero account? Didn't you pass? Oh, okay. Now I understand what you mean. You have to reach out to support, and we will get you sorted. I know what you mean right there. I know what you mean. Just reach out to live chat support. Until an angel says hi. Or Angel. Guys, remember, my name is Angel. But they call me Angel. And I get it. It's fine. I'm getting used to it. But not my name. It's not my name.
All right, fam bam. I'm going to set up my chart real quick.
Do it. Just do it like Nike.
All white. I will do it like Nike, but first I'm gonna lower the music because I feel like the music is loud. All right. So yesterday I was talking to, I actually met up with one of our live stream traders in person and kind of took her over some little coaching stuff for free. I don't coach, but I was helping her set up her charts and get integrated with a couple different platforms. And so anyways, I wanted to set this up just because she was asking me to set it up. So 30-minute chart, I set up my session volume profile with my POC point of control, which is an 80% setup. Mark that POC. Value area high, mark that, same thing. Value area lows down here as well, but I don't really pay attention to that, like if we are having to climb higher on the price. Then we get rid of our volume profile. And then I open my ICT things and I like to mark out my Asia session. Highs and lows. And the reason we do this is just to kind of, we'll do London lows here and we'll do just the lows of yesterday in general. And the reason why I do this is I'm marking out both the top and the bottom, like from where price is currently at, so that if we get a day that we're selling off, I know where to go. And if we get a day that we're bullish, I know where to go. The next thing I'm going to do is kind of look at my chart overall from a higher time frame and see where we're at right now. This is just prices consolidating on the daily chart. I don't really see anything that stands out too much. Break it down to 4-hour. Angel's favorite chart. Yeah, still not much. Like there is some teeny tiny little areas in here that don't really have much influence over market today. Then we're looking at the hourly chart. Okay, so there is down here this wide open space. So I'm going to mark that out. Okay, that's pretty much all I see on the hourly chart. 15-minute, same thing. Here, we can get rid of these. Okay, so since I trade execute on the 1 minute, this is kind of something that I like look at the 15-minute pretty seriously. We do have this gap in here from the open yesterday, which at some point, like, you know, gaps always fill. So I marked that out and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I see. Yeah, so now we just we wait for more information, see what the market wants to feed us, and then we take a trade based off of that, and we have our levels set up above and below. I'm not stuck on any specific bias. I'm just looking for a proper entry and more information to know which way the trend is going to set, and then from there we take trades. Yes. Questions?
Good morning, Manish.
Feel free to drop
I'm doing great, Nelson. I'm doing great, brother. Good morning, Matt. Hi.
Happy New Week.
Freddie. Happy Monday. Monday moon. Are you guys from coffee team, tea team? What do you guys do to drink in the morning?
Team coffee or team tea? You want to know what I have?
What is that? That's coffee. That's 100% of coffee.
No, it's this much coffee with this much tea with vanilla protein.
Oh, wow. That's a bomb right there.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Coffee, Café Bustelo. Yes, sir. I do have my coffee Bustelo right here on a cup because I'm still trying to get into that coffee team. I'll rather to do like mate or something like that. But my girlfriend is making sure she's taking care of me though from that coffee team. Because I'll rather the black coffee. You know what I mean? Nothing with milk, nothing like that. Just Coffee latte here. Oh, Ferdi. Ferdi, you're very Gucci, my friend. Cafe latte. Can you do cafe latte in the morning if you don't have like a machine on your house? Not really, right?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I do. I mean, you're the only one that I can talk right now, right?
Cafe latte. So the whole time you were saying like coffee latte, and I was like, what is a coffee latte? A cafe latte?
Oh, cafe. Because it's cafe, right?
Cafe.
I heard from Uber Eats, Angel. All right, it's even more Gucci because you didn't even prepare yourself. You just order the coffee, so it makes sense. I think we're putting an S&T on the highs, and if he has Embers at 5 minute, we're just gonna trade lower today. But it's a pity that we have the daily time frame. We have a gap on the daily time frame. Good morning, Dennis, my G. How are you doing, my friend?
Dennis.
How you doing?
Hello.
We love you, Paul. Forever and always. I like his picture though. It's a funny picture.
Alrighty.
Greasing. Good morning, Greasing. You know, it's funny because Greasing was like kind of like missing in action for like over 2 weeks, and he won like a giveaway, and then he won like a Discord competition, and then he won like another thing, and then he came back. All of a sudden, he saw like 3 accounts on his dashboard. He was like, "Oh my god, what is this? This is a blessing." So that's good for him. That's a W right there. That's what we do.
For sure.
Yeah, we'll need to take one of your accounts, brother. That's a little bit too much. Good morning, my friend Chris. That dude's on fire. Okay, so Chris, let me tell you something, Abby. Chris is already eligible for a payout on his EA0 account.
Very nice.
But he told me he's gonna build a buffer. So I'm just wish him luck on it.
The pro account?
The EA0 account.
0 account.
Yeah.
What do we got right now on these accounts? So we have the E8-1 account, the E8 Pro account, and the E8-0 account. And what is the discount on the E8-1 account?
Right now, we do have 25% off, as you can see on the screen, for each one of our accounts. But we shall see if we post or we share more stuff later today or tomorrow. We shall see. It's not I'm telling you guys it happened, but it might happen. I don't know.
Basically, what Angel is saying is he's giving you pre-information before everybody else gets information that there will be future He knows there's something coming, so
no, I don't.
Yes, you do. Just stay tuned.
All right.
Yeah, I think there was
Where's my G?
A lot of different things in the works this past week, with dropping the 0 account, trying that out, getting feedback on it, bringing the other accounts back. There's been a lot of chatter in the back end trying to work this out for you guys. So some 100%. Of the accounts are already back, and maybe some more come back, and maybe some discounts to say thank you for being part of the E8 community.
Let's go. Give me my applause. Where are they?
Oh, is Grissine? Is that Gibbs?
Yeah, I mean, because if you locked the Gibbs promo when it released, you can still have like the same discount and the free reset if you lock the promo, but you have to buy 1 account each month with the code. Looks like BTC is going to 0. Oh my god. I don't even want to look at crystals anymore.
Hold on, I'm gonna open a little chart real quick. Let's see what's happening on crypto. I don't ever look at it anymore. How does this look like anything's going to 0? Well, for starters, let me look at my portfolio. I feel like that's the most important thing. Are we suffering? No. Literally hasn't changed since the war thing. Listen, if Bitcoin goes to 0, I will laugh so hard because I held that shit for like 6 years.
I don't think it's gonna happen though.
I will literally laugh my ass off. All right, let's see what little bitty bit's doing. Nothing. I love when people have these really strong opinions and they come in hot and then it's like, what's going on? Like literally nothing.
Holding ENYELOW for 6 years.
What's
ENYELOW?
Consolidating.
ENYELOW.
ELAB. I'm holding ELAB for. Don't worry about it. Oh my goodness.
My NFT profile. Oh my god, I remember the NFTs though. Everyone was so hyped with them.
Wait, I have NFTs.
You have NFTs?
I have like $5 grand in NFTs, and it's so far gone that they're not even downloaded on my phone anymore because I ran out of space. I wonder
That's
what
crazy. Even like the big people from the social media were actually getting their own NFTs, like Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo. Even they were actually launching NFTs. So that's crazy because now the price is about to. I mean, they're gone. I think they're gone.
NFTs? Nah, people will always trade art and they'll always be there. It's just a matter of when the market's doing well versus not. I had a bunch of these things. Hold on.
Okay. I mean, I can remember the monkeys though. I cannot recall like the exact name of the monkeys.
Tiny
but they
monkeys?
were expensive, like 19K, 20K for the monkey.
Yeah, you're talking about Bored Apes.
Oh yeah, the Bored Apes. Exactly.
And the mutant
like 9K.
Like
I was insane. 20K for a picture of a monkey? Come on. You gotta be kidding me.
Well, here's the thing. It goes beyond just a picture of a monkey. You get to use this for anything. You basically get the license to use it. So if you wanted to start a TV show and you own a bunch of Bored Apes, you could have started a TV show and no one else in the world could use that Bored Ape. You would be able to like make an entire TV show out of it and merchandise and anything and sell it. So like
it's yours. Art. Okay.
You own the rights. Yeah.
Okay.
I had a bunch of these things called tiny dinos. Like that used to be worth a couple grand, like $5 grand. That's worth $63, $61. Is that your puppy? Did your puppy just bark?
Yeah, that's my big puppy though. But yeah, it was him.
Yeah, guys, Bitcoin is not doing anything. It's literally just like chopping around, and I think I marked these levels out like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and we still haven't even tapped into it. Nearly, but not quite. So I'd see that like we could probably want to come tap into this, and if we don't close above them, then we're going lower, which I think is pretty feasible. If we do, well, that was not quite. We're like something like coming down, but if we close above it, then we'll go higher. But there is also some gaps right here, so maybe we need to close.
Hello. You're still just chopping around right there. I don't
we should really talk about PayPay. Buy yourself $100 of this, and one day maybe you get to retire. PayPay is also kind of like a meme coin, but it's very much part of the community. Oh, here's another one I own a bunch of because they're cute. little bit of pudgy penguins. Hyperlink. Yeah, these are my BM&R is
The
not.
people's coin. Yeah, that's a crazy one though. Do you think we will fill the gap on ES? Which gap? You have to tell me the time frame.
Am I tripping? Did I see like a little like icon like moving around? What? Okay, whatever. We love PayPay. It's so funny. So funny.
Baby. See
There's
PayPay?
a guy on Instagram that like throws a little PayPay doll all around.
5 minute.
Doing all kinds of stuff.
The 5 minute? I think it's already trading lower. If we close below right now, 930 opening price, I think we're just gonna displace lower towards that low from last week. And you remember the Trump candle from Friday? That was fun. I'm so happy I was not on the stream because I was looking for longs. Oh my god.
I had just made money with longs. Oops. I had just made money with longs
now?
and then no. For the
Trump candle?
Yeah, was it? Hold on. When was that? Friday? I don't know. I was on stream for it.
I think if we close below 930 opening price and we keep doing this, we're gonna look for this week right here, which is the low from Trump candle right here. And I was looking for longs out of the daily and the hourly, but if you look at this displacement, it seems like we're going just to displace lower for the rest of the session. YM is still holding this 5 minute. It's like kind of like giving that setup for longs on the YM, but I'm not trading that one. I'm just looking for divergence. This, if I will be trading like YM, I will take a long out of this 5 minute for sure. But there's no 5 minute for me to take a short or a long out of the NQ, so I'm just watching.
Colin,
I'm happy.
Colin, what are you talking about?
What?
I said, Colin, what are you talking about?
Filling the gap.
Yeah, like gap. What gap? Like, are you trading on like RTH or something?
But this is a beautiful long right here.
What gap is he talking about?
50% the CE of the 5 minute. YM doing his things.
Trump tweeted last night to buy.
Yeah, Trump. he said like stocks were gonna go up on Monday. I don't see that. I don't see that it's happening right now. I guess
he's trying to like inflate the stocks. Like, what a guy!
Crazy though.
What a guy! What a guy!
We have a big SMT on the lows now.
How's Colin? How's your Campbell's chicken noodle soup doing? Let's check.
Campbell's
chicken noodle.
What a beautiful long with the YM.
CMB. Wait, CMP? CBP. I can't remember what the ticker is. CPB. Aha, it's that one.
Yeah, I mean, you kind of have like a point, fairly, because if you look at back in the time, whenever he said that it's time to buy, it's gonna go higher for sure. I mean, it always happens, right? So yeah, that's the thing. That's why I'm actually looking for longs today. Sadly, I'm looking for long in NASDAQ, which is the one that is not following. It's the only one that is going lower. But we shall see. I mean, YM longs, beautiful long right here. Beautiful long. ES is still holding the 15 minute, which is this one. I think we can chop around. And now we're putting an SMT with Asian low. So maybe if we have something, because we're going to have this 15 minute to fill. So we have something on the lower time frame to take along here at 10 a.m. Let's say at 10 a.m. reversal. It could work. So we should see.
All right, but let's talk about something that's matters. You don't like when I say this, but but here, let's just talk about how the fact that Colin is in the money right now. He's in the money about this much money.
You know what? I'm gonna put like 30% of my salary the next time I'm getting paid on this.
I think I'm gonna just drop my entire cash account on options for camels.
Because I'm doing it like it's a no-brainer though.
It's not a no-brainer because what is this company? But like at the same time, what's your entry, Colin? Because like I think he said like 21 or something like that. I don't know. What did I mark this 21 area? Whoa. That's just me drawing on a screen, I guess. Or something's happening. But like, yeah, he's in the money right now. Better
He's
chill.
in the money. It's in the money.
Okay.
I'm telling you, he passed the zero account and he's already going to request a payout, so he's on the money.
Can you trade Campbell's on prop firms?
I cannot check though, because hold on, let me see if I can check it.
Not financial advice. Hold on. I'll send it to Angel and he can show you all that.
Where did you send it?
You can just drop like a thing in the chat. Like, pretty sure.
Oh, okay. The new weekly opening gap. Is that what you mean? Yeah, I think that's gonna happen. Yeah, makes sense. If you look at the new weekly opening gap and you look at the 50% of that gap, we haven't filled the 50%, which is here. So I think we should go and fill that 50% because we have a slightly higher resting right there. And look at we're respecting the 15-minute. Right? We're respecting the 15-minute, and now we're putting a big ass S&P.
You're like not sharing your screen, so all this time.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, look at this. Big S&T with Asian low. We have the new weekly opening gap. Look at ES respecting the 15-minute. YM is already trading higher. ES respecting the 15-minute. Now we need this one to follow up. We just need a setup to take any longs right here.
You're taking a long?
I'm gonna take a long if this actually makes sense. We need to inverse this 5-minute. If we inverse this 5-minute, I'm gonna protect that low right there, and I'm going long.
Ooh.
Where's that?
Tradeovate, new feature. Since when do they ever put new features? Jeez. New block accounts individually. Love that.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. I mean, like, they still suck, but like
I like them. Sure like
So you're taking a long?
Not yet, but I will. 100% I will.
If we close above this fair value gap, little inversion.
Yeah, 53 more seconds.
Now, if we don't close, then there's a good short in play too. So if we reject this area and we cannot close above here, oh, that's not a drawing. If we can't close above here on this little 1 minute, then there's a good short in play. If we do close above there, then definitely could do some longs. But like, I wouldn't feel too comfortable with the longs just because we have another area right here that can hold support. So like, technically, could you trade this long? Yes, but I wouldn't trade it like much more than that area if I were gonna do it long. IMO.
No, it's fine. It's a great look. I just think like ES it's ramping higher. I have my limit ready for this 5-minute. I have VG right here. SMT at the daily gap because this is a daily gap. SMT with Asian low. Look at ES respecting the order flow right here. YM is already trading higher, so I'm just gonna focus on this one right now. it makes sense to go above the opening print and fill all these highs, the smooth highs. We have smooth highs right here, and then we can fill the gap, and then we can trade higher because we have that daily stuff. We shall see. We shall see.
Faux
So that's
show.
a 4 hour, right? That's a 4 hour gap that we need to fill.
Faux show. I like it. I like it. So we did get that little inversion.
It's sad that the stop is kind of wide, but I have to risk a little bit more than 1K on this one. But I'm gonna take it.
We can pull back down to like
I'm gonna take it. Yeah, I'm saying if we're gonna create another 5 minute, because we create another 5 minute, I'm just gonna put my limit a little bit higher just to tap into that 5 minute, and then we shall see. So far, I have my limit at the IFBG.
I like that. No risk, no Rari.
I heard that.
You know what that means, Angel?
Not really. Like no risk,
Ferrari.
no what? No Ferrari. Okay.
No Ferrari.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Right.
I'm dead.
Call, right?
Okay, wait. So I might get into this long real quick. I want to see it tap back onto the New York VWAP.
Where's the New York VWAP? Where's that?
609. Like we're gonna tap
609.
into this little 597 area, 599 we'll say. That would be like a good little entry for me.
What do you mean? I just got. Okay.
You got filled?
Okay. Yeah, I'm filled.
I'm also filled. I feel most comfortable with the low hanging fruit and taking it at like 670.
930 price. See, okay, makes sense. I mean, 930. We shall see something at 930. Okay, let's find for the only issue with this trade, the 15 minute gap right here. If we respect this 15 minute and then we trade lower, and then we cooked, it's gonna cook my stop if that happens, because we're tapping into the 15 minute CE. But we also have this rejection block, which I like. So we shall see, ladies and gentlemen. We shall see. I like it better.
I'm such a good multitasker for you guys.
What?
I do not cough into the microphone. I cough on mute.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, just for you guys. Erkan, why are you fading? Let's hear your...
Yeah, please let us know. Why are you fading though? Oh, you don't like it higher yet. I need to know.
Erkan, why don't you just come on stream now and hang out for the whole time? Come show us why you're fading us. Please, jump in. Okay, now we've officially tapped that area.
We have now a 5 minute. Nope, we just tap into that one. Okay. Give me a break.
Give me a break. Give me a break. So sad. Big time. Have you ever had like tea with like creamer in it?
tea with cream on it? No, never. I haven't tried that before. Is it good?
I think half of Europe would say it is.
I like to dance. Watch my stuff getting cooked on this one. I think I'm getting cooked.
Oh, you're getting cooked. Yeah. Well, first off, what is that stop? Technically, your stop should be like at the lows, but still
technically, yes. But I don't want to see the price getting below this.
See, didn't I not say like 2 seconds ago? You were like, I'm like, you're taking longs? What is that?
Cool.
Also, this is the market. No. Big no. Just hold on. I'm going to pull my screen real quick.
Good.
Okay. So, like, obviously, a short. Sorry. Dang. A short. Great move here. But, like, we closed above this, which means we would want to tap into this. But it's not doing that. So, price action, trash. That's my opinion. But we did break this low a day view up pretty well. So if you wanted to get into a short right here, that'd be nice to take that down to the lows. Like right there. But yeah, I don't like that. That would be weird. Well, Erkan, Angel's gonna be your liquidity.
I'm long with you, Angel. Relax. Abby will get. I mean, Abby, did you take a short or a long? What did you do?
I'm not in.
Short? Oh, okay.
I like. Okay. I scalped the little fair value gap, but I'm not in. I scalped a cute little 10 points out of that bitch.
All right.
Interesting per se.
Interesting. Can we have like a displacement either to the upside or just to my stop? I just don't want to see myself waiting for a long time into this position. But the fact that we're putting an S&T on the daily gap is good. That's something good. That's something that I like. What I do not like is the 15-minute. I'm with you. Liquidity together. All right.
We are.
15-minute? Yeah. You say what?
We are putting in a little support level here, my friend. But I don't know where your take profit is, but you know, we want to come back up, tap into this, and then go lower again. What do you think? Where's your TP?
My TP is around 9:30 opening price.
So like 7:37
right there, like 750, around 750. We have smooth highs, and then we have the 4-hour gap that needs to be filled. IMO. I think the 4-hour gap should be filled, at least. But we should know in a bit. We should know in a little bit.
So this is approximately what you have going on.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see a nice little break on here, because this right here wouldn't have been a good break anyways. So if this is a good closure above here, then yeah, definitely could see that at least hitting that little area.
Bump it. It's like the other day. I still cannot believe like Yusuf actually bet on me 1K if I hit stop or take profit, and I actually say yes. Still cannot believe that I say yes, but I had conviction.
What happened?
Can you remember our last stream, like on Thursday?
Oh, $1,000 bet.
Yeah, it was like, let's bet 1K if you hit to stop and 1K if you hit TP. And I was like, yeah, let's do it. I cannot believe I did that. Don't let me do the same again. It's yourself. If that happened again, just say no, we're not doing that. What's up, my G? Good morning.
What up?
Let's see. One of y'all is long and one of y'all is short. So
No, I close my short. So I'm out.
Oh, in the red.
Oh, you were shorting?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. You just got a little short out of it. Okay.
Yeah, I got a short scalp. I'll show you my screen. It's pretty...
Share your screen and don't unshare that shit because you will always unshare it, and I'm gonna go after you if you don't. Yeah. Three of you. My bad. Yeah. Did you where were you short from?
Here, I'll show you my screen right now.
Okay.
Do you see my screen?
Yes.
So that's my short right there.
Okay, so engulfing candle, and then where?
Yeah, we created that 15-minute. We created a 15-minute gap, right here, and then I just traded into it. Took it down to the low-hanging fruit, which was 50% of this move, this fair value gap, and we out of there.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful short. Look at that execution right there.
Right?
I might have held mine had you not said that you were.
My God.
I took a 10-point little move because I was like, oh, Erkan's fading. I gotta get out of the trade.
Come on. Don't say that. You gotta be convicted.
Goodness. Well,
but yeah, that's what I have. That's what I have for today.
I think
but I think longs, I think Angel for your longs, I like the longs above midnight price, which is 29.6. If we get above this 15-minute and above this above the midnight price right here, we're Gucci for longs to this time.
Yeah, I think
it's midnight. Oh, it's here.
Long's good.
Midnight's here at 29.6.
Oh yeah, here. Yeah, I see it.
688. So yeah, that's where I would be comfortable with my longs for sure.
That's out.
Hopefully we can push.
Hopefully it's a push. I mean, you got ES rocking, but NQ is just more bearish.
Colin's making jokes. He said he's out now, no longer the fighter he once was, a lion, now an old cat.
That's hilarious.
I mean, I didn't watch the fight, but I was looking at the highlights, and it was kind of pretty lame. You know what I mean?
Wait.
He got injured.
I heard, and I'm not sure if this is real or not. So the fight lasted 20 seconds because homie blew out his knee.
Yeah. But he was already injured, honestly.
You think?
He was already.
Poor people were betting on games and so excited and 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 then he comes out and blows his knee. Well, that sucks.
Whoa, it's whoa.
The reason why,
I mean, but
I think he was already injured.
The previous fight lasted less than a minute, right? The previous one.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Who won the previous one?
It's just a payday.
Colin.
It's just a payday. Yeah, it's just a payday for him. Just collecting checks.
Interesting.
Scamming the world.
Literally scamming.
That's how fighters do it. I mean, I used to be a boxer. I would have been a professional boxer if I didn't go to school and did trading and everything.
That's nice.
I feel really I saw this online and I totally kind of agree with it as a female, but every man has a story about, I would have been a professional this if it weren't for that injury. I would have been professional that if it didn't happen this injury.
Oh my God, I hate that because I would be a professional footballer if I had an injury in my elbow. So
that's what I'm saying.
I mean, yeah.
I would have been a professional Olympic swimmer if I could swim. Come on.
You live by the beach and you don't know how to swim.
Nah, I'm really not really a swimmer, but I do dive now. But I'm still
okay.
It's always questionable. If I go surfing, I'm like, will I make it out alive?
Dang.
But now we're professional traders, so I'll rather be that.
I would have been a professional trader if only I could trade. Just kidding. Self roast.
What?
That's so funny.
You know what's
Are we
ironic?
already professionals? Or not
How
yet?
many payouts have you taken
This
since
month?
we started, Angel?
From where?
E8.
From E8? No, from E8, like one. Like one only from E8.
How much was it?
Like $200.
Oh. How much was mine?
Like 9K. But I mean,
Ooh.
I had one 25K futures, and you have 100K futures. That's a great difference, though.
That's a great difference. All right.
Yeah.
Real quick, can you refresh me on so it's 25% off of the one accounts, the pro accounts, and the zero accounts. Is that right? As of right now,
Yeah.
it's 25% off of all of those.
25% off for everything.
Okay. And there's currently no signature accounts available as of this current moment. Okay.
Nope.
Temporarily.
We shall see.
I want those back. I'm fighting for you guys. If anybody else wants signature accounts, I want them too.
Oh.
What was that?
I'm sorry, brother.
We get any Trump?
Ooh,
What is
Angel.
this? Why is it not
basically,
closing, though?
This
Oh
is
my God! Don't tell me it's Trump again.
this is
R.I.P.
the UFC fight right here. That's Connor's knee.
Damn.
Oh, wow.
That's a candle if I ever seen it.
Truth
And-
Social.
What?
10 a.m.
What?
Let's see.
What is this?
Yeah, that made sense.
Did it though? I don't know if that made any sense.
Yeah, because we
37
closed the 4 hour candle closed pretty like we bearish engulfed on the 4 hour.
Oh no. No. Pause. It's not that. It's Trump. It is a Truth Social Trump. Strait of Hormuz is open and will remain open with or without Iran. We are reinstating the Iranian blockade. So named because it's stopping Iran's ships, and I'm not reading this whole entire thing, but pretty much he just said we're opening the Strait of Hormuz. I can't pronounce that word. By force. Like they're gonna basically like blockade Iran.
Yeah.
What is this candle? My God. It's
Damn,
a
bro.
1 minute, 200-point candle in 1 minute. Yeesh.
Ridiculous.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Trump.
My guy, you didn't let me get in my short.
I really like this one, though. So I guess ES is now going lower. And I
Wait,
guess
did
we're
that
going to head
close
to
you
that
out?
wick. Yeah, I'm out.
Ooh.
I'm out of the
See, the
trade.
thing is it's probably gonna go now.
Whoa.
161
Oh, whoa.
points.
No, that's fine.
Yeah, it's probably gonna go now.
Yeah, I think it's going to go lower. Now.
Yeah.
Now that you became the extra liquidity again.
I had targets that to the downside, which it actually wicked, and then now it's pushing back up. I had original targets like at 29,500 level. That's where I wanted to take that's where I wanted to take the original short, because that's a untapped midnight price. So that's something I always look into, is untapped midnight prices.
Like a previous days. Naked
Previous days.
Put a control.
Yeah, it's exactly like but midnight version. So I use that a lot.
Nice.
So the longs could work out now. I mean, it's hit my objective for
Right.
liquidity.
Erkan, share your screen.
I keep forgetting to do that.
It's funny because you close it out. When you're not presented, which I won't present you unless you are talking about something, but when you're not presented, you can just leave it and we can't see your screen, they can't see your screen, so it's chill. So
Let me see.
I would love for you to go over like midnight price and talk about midnight, how you'd use it, how you use like ones that haven't been engaged yet.
Sure.
Yeah, let me. Now I'm gonna put you up. Now I'm gonna put your screen up. Oh, it's gone.
Oh, we here? Are we live?
Present it. It went away entirely. Somebody asked my Bitcoin view. I'll do like a really quick one because I did talk about this earlier, and I want to have Erkan go over this midnight price thing. But yeah, Bitcoin is obviously just doing what Bitcoin does, nothing. It's chopping around, sitting in the same areas on a higher time frame. Sorry, my scribbles. I'll get rid of my scribs. On a higher time frame, there's some areas up here that I can engage up here as well. My idea is that we're going to sit here and do this until we come and touch into this, and then we sell off, or we sit here, do this, close above this, and then we have a little space to go up. If we can close above that, then maybe we go up, but I don't think that we do that. I do think that we sell off even further. That is my really quick Bitcoin view. You can also scroll back in this video and see it there. And Erkan, you're back. All right. Midnight price.
Midnight price. Okay, so
did you learn this from Zach?
Partially, but I didn't. He doesn't use untapped midnight. That's something I coined by myself. I don't know if it's an actual thing, but like untapped, unmitigated midnight prices. So there's an indicator. It's called. Let's see what it's called. Yeah, ICT New York Open. This one.
Mm-hmm.
And basically, what it plots is the 12 a.m. price in New York time, and it would mark out that level. And basically, what I had here was a level that was untapped. Usually, we get a tap inside the New York session if we haven't engaged with it. If we do engage with it, then it's off the table. If we don't engage with it, then then we are looking for that as a potential liquidity target. So, for example, like I had this liquidity target down here, which was an untapped midnight price, and it looks like it reacted really strongly off of it. So I'm interested in longs if we close above this midnight price of today's midnight price and take it to these highs. But yeah, that's just a quick example of like untapped midnight prices, or like how midnight is a draw on liquidity throughout the session. Like, for example, here on Tuesday, it started off, and then in the PM session, it retraced back to midnight price. So like it's always a draw on liquidity, whether it's in this session or the next session, or in a session that's going to be coming up in the future. So you could kind of see like price eventually taps it, eventually. Like this one is untapped, so this is, but this is all time. This is like near all time high, kind of. So looking for that to be engaged with at some point. So yeah. So that's a quick little.
Your ICT New York Open. Which one is it?
Yeah.
There's like a bazillion.
Oh, let's see.
I want to see what you're seeing.
Let's see. It is my favorite. Was that a cat?
No, that was me.
Oh. You just.
Oh, yeah, first
I think it's this one. Yeah. Shania.
Yeah, because I usually just manually do that. I've never actually seen an indicator for it.
Yeah.
That's nice. Do you change your settings at all, or are they same?
So yeah, since we're on Pacific Standard Time, we got to change it to. I think. You have to show me your chart to see what it looks like, because as long as it's plotting it at 9 p.m. Pacific time, then you're good to go.
All right.
Let's see if we get an inversion of this gap here for these longs.
Yeah, it's going up again. It's about to reach 930 price. I'm not sure what kind of BS just happened. I got wigged out.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Angel. I'm sorry, Angel.
Angel, you just gotta re-enter. You gotta re-enter.
You got retailed as you got retailed.
Did you guys see my cat just fly across the room?
No.
No. Oh my god. I'm gonna watch the replay though.
Yeah.
You gotta see that in slow motion. Slow motion.
Yeah, I like heard it and I like turned around and I saw her like landing. So I'm pretty sure she flew across the background. Okay, so
this would be my wassail. You guys know what wassail is, right? Wide ass stop loss.
Wide ass stop loss. Yeah, I just learned that yesterday. I was with one of the girls that I got into Zach's coaching thing, and she goes something wassail, and I was like, "What is that?" And then I texted her like, "Wassail." Yeah, it's like negative RR. Yeah.
Yeah, it's exactly.
I love that he called it wassail.
I know. We're trying to get some merchandise made and everything, so look out for that.
I love it. So okay, what were you saying about wassail?
Yeah, I would use a wassail in this case here, just like at this wick low to these highs.
Wassail. It's hilarious.
That's what I would do.
All right, let me see your settings for the ICT New York Open thing.
Okay, sure.
So I have it says New York time zone, GT4.
GG's. I'm just shocked right now. I'm speechless. No words.
I know.
You're just getting annihilated right now.
I mean, if you look at my tray right now, it's crazy though. It's just
because you're right back at entry.
Oh, painful. Poor guy. Yeah. But you got stopped out, right?
I mean, yeah, I have stopped. I have a stop. Look at this. It is. Look at this though.
Destroyed.
To the tick, and then just getting back. It's gonna reach 930 price right there.
Oh, that is painful. Sorry, buddy.
What a banger!
You're always the exit liquidity. Can you just like put a logo on your hat that says "I am the exit liquidity"?
I will. Definitely, I will.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah, we would have to am I still up on my screen?
Yeah.
So yeah, if in VWAP land, if we get above previous day's VWAP, and we take it to overnight VWAP, take it to previous day's New York.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I would do for the longs on the VWAP. If you're a VWAP trader, I got all kinds of strategies.
So this is what I'm seeing right now with this. So it's put my midnight there, which is facts. But then yeah, it does. And then it has that there. That's so cool. I've always done this manually.
You are welcome.
Thank you. I didn't say thank you. Shh. Just kidding. Rude of Abigail. Because who doesn't like
Angel, will you enter again?
I'm gonna enter again out of the 5 minute. If you look at the OB right there, I'm just gonna put the train protected low. One last shot. I have 2 executions. One is just right there. So let's see. I'm still targeting the 4-hour gap.
I love this little indicator. Love lazy. Yours is priced at $6.89, right?
Let's see. Yeah, it should tell you the price there. Let me see. $6.89, correct.
Okay, perfect.
All right.
So whatever is in there is correct. Yeah, that's something that I feel like time zones really brain dead me.
I know.
Like you're just like midnight price, and you're like, well, if midnight.
Don't even get me started. We up freaking 5 a.m.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is the second time I'm full port longs. Embarrass me. Thanks, Trump. Bro, that was insane. That was insane.
Right when the market starts to just get normal and like tradable is when Trump is like, tweets are back.
He says, hello. Okay, it's beautiful. If we get back above the open and print, it's just beautiful.
Hey, when I said Trump, we got 20 extra viewers. Trump. Just kidding.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so I don't trust it. We've had Friday, just crazy wick, and then today, same thing. Like, We don't need this, Trump. Go home.
Yeah.
Go back into hiding.
Oh my god, my entry was beautiful. My first entry is beautiful though. You should have print, not Trump.
Oh
You
la
need some
la.
wassail. You need some wassail in your life.
Some white ass stop loss. I told him before when I was like, I just said, I don't know about that stop. You should move it down.
I mean, even
Yeah, you
protecting
did
the
say.
low again, even protecting the low, it was impossible to stay on this trade though.
Well,
Yeah, bro.
if you would have,
Literally.
if you would have increased your stop loss, you would have to double what you had it, right? At least, right?
Yeah.
You're taking 2 trades, so you're risking the same amount as if you would have doubled it and been able to stay in your trade, and you never would have got stopped out, so you would have just been in the money with your trade with a better thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
But no worries. If we hit the 4-hour gap, I'm still gonna be 1 hour something for the day in profit. So I'll take it. I'll take it all day.
I feel like didn't somebody in the chat say that Trump said that the markets are going up on Monday? Well, he just dropped news saying the Strait of Hormuz is like open. So I feel like he's just manipulating the market because it didn't go off like he was expecting it to today. So he just had to say something. So I feel like this is fake news and it's not going to like play out.
He doesn't have legs, you say?
Taco. Trump always chickens out. It's a taco trade.
Oh,
So get your money, guys. Get your bag and then get out.
I agree with that.
Yeah, we would go break both sides of the range.
Wait, we inverse the 15-minute, right? It's a good one.
Yeah, we did.
We have this MT with Asian lows. It should. Look, we have a smooth highs. It should deliver over the 4 hour.
Do I want to take a second trade, Abby?
Yes. If you're in the money.
I'm in the money, but
At all. I'm just kidding. Okay, so I want to read something real quick. So E80 accounts, 1 phase challenge, daily payouts. So you get a 6% target, 3% drawdown, daily payout, and 100%. Hell, do I purchase one of these accounts or do I not?
Maybe you should wait, but yeah, I want the zero very bad. Oh, look at gold is dropping. Gold is dropping hard.
Gold's
Gold,
dropping.
huh?
The zeros. Yeah.
Wow.
I took a short last night here.
You
and
did?
I closed on this lows, yeah, from here to here, and I closed on this low right here during Asia. But look at this dump. It's crazy. That's crazy.
Colin says the zero is worth it. Okay.
Yeah, for sure. I'm just wondering on the account of, do we have discounts coming for those accounts? So do I, he said, use my code, Colin Rice. You know what's funny, Colin? I don't have a code, so yeah, I'll use your code. That's funny. Somebody said gold is going 3,500 next even, and we see 56. It will go there. You may be right and you may be wrong. I don't know. Gold could stay pretty much where it's at, or it could not. You never know in these markets. What is gold's ticker?
MGC.
You see. You see.
People have put trading gold futures. The August ones? Or the October ones? Erkan, do you have a discount code with us?
I don't think so.
You should.
I'd like to have one.
Yeah.
You
So
should have
create
one.
an account with E8 Markets, go to
Yeah.
the affiliate thing and fill it out, and then let us know your discount code.
Okay.
Yeah. If you already have an account with E8, because I know you trade with us, so just
Yeah.
do the affiliate thing real quick and do it now so I can put it up on screen so that it forever shows up.
I think the website's down. Can you guys check on that?
I'm on the website.
Is it down?
It says unable to connect to E8 Markets. Connection between your browser.
EA Markets.
No, I'm on the website. It's a you problem. It's that
Me
desert
problem.
Wi-Fi.
No.
The desert Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I need to bounce out of the desert.
Yeah, you do. So what were you visiting Encinitas for?
Just there with the family and a little vacation. Yeah.
Why did you guys choose Encinitas?
We love it. We love it over there. Maybe even thinking about getting a property over there. Start a
Don't
business
buy
or
my
something.
Del Mar property. I'll come for you.
I might have to start a farm in Del Mar. We'll see.
That's my 7 acres for 9 mil, okay?
Is it yours? Okay.
It's
You can
mine.
share it.
I'm not quite there yet, but I don't know how you're going to see
You could have a section.
the correct number if we're going to see it. Can I have just like you buy the property? How about you spend the 9 million and give me like 2 acres from the corner so I can have my little farm?
for the frizzy.
Yeah, but like the horses and the cows and the chickens, they still need to have access to the full 7 acres.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, as long as they're helping me out. That's fine.
Yeah, they'll give you eggs and stuff.
Yeah.
We'll fill up your freezer like once a year with a big old cow.
Oh my god. That's honestly that's the dream right there.
Yeah.
It would be so much simpler if everything was like that.
Yeah, right? Medjedkani, can you tell me what are you trading gold, regular gold, or futures gold, and which contract are you talking about? I'll look at it and see what you're saying.
It's most likely doing a CFD.
Yeah, I think he's doing CFDs actually.
Ew. So
What
just
do you mean, ew?
I said.
So
ew.
what is it? What is this Hyper Cup tournament?
It's a tournament that you can win like 10,000 cash prizes, 5,000 second place, 2,000 third place. You can win the first 100 places, win an account, whether it's 100K, a 50K, a 10K, a 5. Yeah. So.
Or you can win cash.
Yes, cash and
accounts.
The top 100 people that place. So.
Not bad, ain't it?
Not bad, ain't it?
Not bad at all.
All right, come on, give Angel what he's looking for here. Give him that.
Oh yeah, I just want to head out of the trade at this point, to be honest.
I feel you. I know that slowdown is like.
No. Be patient. Have that.
Is there an SMT?
Oh, but yes, it's not looking good. Look at ES now. It's getting back here. Oh my god.
Yeah, it looks heavy, and it looks like it might wick fill that. All these
right here.
All these wicks want to get filled.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, dude.
That's what I was saying yesterday. I was like, I don't know if a lot of people pay attention to that, but I always pay attention to like wick fills, gaps, like.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Right. That'd be
Yeah,
like,
sometimes they'll scalp like literally just the wicks.
hmm Yeah, I was about to do that earlier today, but I didn't have a good risk reward on it.
Yeah, it's obviously not the greatest concept, but you can make a little money if you need to.
Mm-hmm.
The platform for
Sweet.
Hypercup is really cool. Just a little changes needed. Yeah, I believe that the platform that we're using for Hypercup is our platform, right?
And this is still like on beta mode.
It is a beta. So it's
Yeah.
brand new and it's still in
Ooh.
trial, but we'd love to hear your notes on that.
Yeah,
If you
absolutely.
if you guys are part of the tournament and you're like this would be cool, but this platform does this and yours could do it better, and we'll take your notes. We'll take your notes. Oh, if you guys are here with us, like the video on YouTube. We got 50 of you on E8 Markets YouTube, which is awesome. Thanks for the numbers. And we have 155 coming in from X. So if you're here from X, slide on over to YouTube real quick and you can
Hit
join.
the like button.
Yeah. We do giveaways Monday through Friday. So you have to be a part of the YouTube and you have to be a part of E8 Markets. You have to have an account with us and you have to verify it. And then you have to make it thing. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think everybody kind of, when Top Step decided to rug pull, everybody started kind of working on some sort of replacement platform. Oh, speaking of replacement platforms, Alpha
Oh yeah.
situation this weekend. Who knows enough about it to talk about it?
I don't know,
I don't.
but it's just another one bites the dust, you know. So used to it
I
at this
told
point.
you, Abby. I told you.
He did. He said somebody's gonna say that. Somebody's gonna use this exact quote because
Come on.
we were talking about something entirely different, and then I was like, another one bites the dust, and he's like, somebody's gonna say that about Alpha. Right. So yeah, I don't know too much about it, but I will speak from experience.
That's hilarious.
When I first got my first affiliate partnership with anybody, it was Alpha.
Yeah, I'm heading out of this tree.
Bye. No, I'm just
I'm
talking.
sorry, Angel.
I'm allowed to talk.
Yeah, no, look at ES. ES is definitely gonna take out that.
Yeah, it looks heavy.
So I'd rather just to keep away.
Anyways, I'm gonna continue to talk.
Yeah, you can continue ahead.
Yeah, I'm gonna continue my talk. But yeah, like I like had some chats with the people on the back end, and after like a week or two, I was like, I'm not working with this company. It seemed illegitimate. So I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised about how they handled it.
Wow.
They closed off their premium plan to those who bought get refunded, but those who were already ready for a payout did not get it. Correct. Yeah, that's just like shady business.
That's so messed up, man.
I think if you have something confirmed or pending, should be paid. That's my only take on it. And then you can do whatever. Then you decide after that one. Well, yeah.
But they'll probably have something in their little agreement there that says, "Oh, we could do whatever we want."
Yeah, most prop firms do.
Yeah.
I've seen it. Like other people have posted different prop firms, and it basically says we have the right to do whatever.
I feel like owning a prop firm would be not bad.
Right?
You want to do that instead?
I actually, one of the things that kind of like turned me off of Alpha was just the fact that one of their people followed me, and in the bio it said that they create prop firms, like that they make them. You want a prop firm, create prop firms.
You need like,
ooh,
yeah. You
need like 300K.
Yeah,
like
really, that's it.
Down to
I was thinking like
to create a prop firm.
Yeah. Okay.
In a way, if it's done wrong, it can definitely be very Ponzi schemey. So if they're relying on people to be able to pay out other people under or over, so like let's say 10 people come in, one person gets a payout, they're relying on more people to keep coming in order to be able to give payouts. That would be more of a Ponzi scheme situation with a prop firm, and it's hard to know. That's why prop firm match is like a great asset to this. They have like a lot of information on the back end, and they do like a full scan of all these different companies. So some of these companies do get demoted depending on their legitimacy. But a proper way to do it is like for companies to come into the space and have a big amount of funding already, so that they're not just relying on new clients to pay fees that end up being somebody else's payout. Because once people aren't, once it's not promoted efficiently, they start running out of funding. They don't have money on the back end. And so
yeah, makes sense.
Yeah. Yes and no. Like there is prop firms out there that do work it in that situation, but then there's actually prop firms that come in with funding behind them. If you heard that. Yeah. Like
I just feel like the competition is kind of high right now.
For sure. It's really hard to like know for sure because there's so many people trying to pop up in the space.
And so I guess they just forced it a little bit, and then they were not able to catch up with it. That's what I think that happened. And it's what it is.
They jumped the gun a bit.
And that's why you're going with E8 futures or E8. What's the other one? Zero count?
EA. I always hope for the best for everyone. But yeah.
So you got closed out of your trade, but now your trade looks like it's ready to go.
Yeah, I closed the trade earlier, but it was gonna
I would be over
anyways.
Like
I would be over it.
Yeah, pretty over it. But you got a nice little bounce off the New York here. You could play that up to there. Oh, Angel.
Yeah, I don't know anymore.
Poor
I don't
guy.
really know anymore.
So you guys, I remember last time I talked to you guys, you said you were going to start journaling again. Is that something you guys picked up again or not?
I mean, I'm technically journaling every day on X because I post on X like my trades. And I think that's qualified. I think that's qualified. But yeah, I have that membership for Tradezilla. I just haven't really tapped into using that yet. Like not yet. I took the last few months off because I was just like down so bad, and then I took a payout, and then like I just never got back to it. But it's kind of hard to like want to journal when I have to like kind of keep up with X as well. I just put it on X. Public journaling.
Yeah, that's the best.
Yeah.
I actually had something funny to put on my journal today. I wasn't along, and then I got attacked by a Trump tweet. It was fun. That's for my first trade. For my second trade, maybe it was just a little bit too much for me, though.
Angel, I want to ask you, what was the time duration between your two trades there? Can you tell me?
The time duration between trades?
Yeah, so like your first trade and then your second trade.
My first trade was at 10 a.m. and my second trade was at 10:30, 10:25. It's a 20 minutes difference. 30 minutes, yeah.
But okay, so let me rephrase that. What's the time that you got stopped out versus in comparison to the time that you re-entered?
I got stopped out at 10:16 and I re-entered at 10:28.
Okay, so like probably like 10 minutes ish.
10 minutes.
So I was reading something interesting yesterday. It said, once you hit your stop loss, it takes about like 15 minutes to kind of like get the adrenaline off of you, and then you can think rationally again because in your brain, your amygdala, something like that, it triggers the flight and fight response. So
Can't make
sorry.
proper decisions.
My mic is not good. I apologize.
Yeah, maybe move away from it. Something's happening a little bit.
So annoying.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm under the water.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
No,
Yeah,
it's
you're
fine.
back.
Talk real quick.
Yeah, you can say it.
Testing.
I think the closer you are, the worse it gets. Exit and come back in, because this happened to Angel this morning. It might be like a StreamYard issue, not a you issue. Dang, look at those guns. I wonder who has bigger muscles, me or Erkan? What do you think, Angel?
You say what?
Who has bigger muscles, me or Erkan?
Definitely you, though. 100%.
Definitely me. What do you think,
Yeah.
chat? We're using StreamYard right now, but we're looking for other sources because we're looking for a better streaming, like better quality. Papa John's, yeah.
Papa John's.
Do you know the slogan?
Oh, what's the slogan for Papa John's?
That's where I just randomly came up. Better ingredients, better pizza, Papa John's.
Makes sense.
Erkan, where are you?
Is he back?
Okay, so talk about this trade real quick. You got a bounce off the New York VWAP. You also got a rejection from the never mind, that's not real. Just a bounce off the New York. Oh my goodness. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. I just want to delete that. Nah, my chart was just being ridiculous. But yeah, bounce off of that area.
Testing.
This is
you're back.
Wonderful.
Back.
This is a perfect example of like when you want to watch your trade and read and respond, right? So if this closes below this little 1 minute, I would just get out of my trade, right? I would just take this little bit of profit and get out of my trade, because we're not making like higher things. If we're closing below this, it invalidates my trade entirely.
Are you in that?
No, I'm not. I'm just, it's up on the screen.
Okay.
So
You're just
like,
analyzing.
Yeah, see, this is a closure below. I would just get out right here. Done. Now, would it have been nice to like, this is why we always take the low hanging fruit, because this right here is a major level. This is the overnight VWAP. And if I'm trading VWAP to VWAP, you're trading level to level. So taking that trade from there to there, that would have been the best place to take profit. And you would have literally ticked it and made that full profit and then whatever. Yeah. But yeah.
I like that.
You know, we weren't monitoring that too well because I was yapping.
You know, Erkan, you had like a good point when you were talking about the waiting time after it stopped. Because actually my clock told me the other day, like, if my performance is better if I wait 10 minutes to get on the same trade idea when I get stopped, right? Because most of the time when I'm getting stopped, I have the direction right, but I don't have like the right trade. You know? Yeah. So it's always like you have to wait 10 minutes because you will see the next 2 5-minute candles, and you will see how the next 15-minute candles is gonna print. So it's gonna give you an idea. So you have to wait 10 minutes. It's all right, just wait. But in this case, in this particular case, I think we're gonna chop out. And I can tell something that actually my clock tells me based on opening and closing price for the session. When I normally lose is when we're choppy around the New Year session.
See that? Yeah, there's no delivery.
Hi, here from the Discord announcement. Can I ask how to participate? Angel?
You say what? Hi, from Discord announcement, can I ask how can I participate, please? Okay, yeah, so our friend here, Bushido, Luis, is going to send you a beautiful message that you can follow on how to enter our YouTube giveaway. There you go. Thank you so much, brother. So just follow the steps. I will put a message on the Discord, and you can jump in on the giveaway. And yeah, I lost the trade. I lost
Every
a trade, but I
trade.
have something beautiful. I
He
have
lost
something
2
beautiful
trades.
because I'm doing a
This is
journal
hard.
with a calendar. I was gonna show the entire RR for the entire month that we've been streaming, and I'm gonna post it on X at the end of the month, and it's gonna look good. It's gonna
Love
look
that.
beautiful. It's gonna look beautiful.
So, Philip, yes, I do have muscles. I'm strong. Thank you. Why did you
You're
perk
strong
up when I
here.
said muscles?
That's good. Ooh.
When you got off stream, I was like, who has bigger muscles, me or Erkan? And everybody said me.
I mean, you do give me my run for my money for sure. So.
LOL. Yes.
I feel like you would be like good at martial arts for some reason.
I actually did one class of martial arts, and they were having me like sit with my wrists on a wall like that, and I was like, I don't like this.
What? What is that,
Yeah.
karate or something?
No,
Yeah, one of those.
I don't know. Not kung fu. I don't remember.
Yeah, so
What?
going back to midnight price, it's like it could act as a strong resistance or support.
Go
So
with your screen.
yeah,
Chat.
Oh, wow.
Roast him. He's never sharing.
You gotta pay extra for that. No, I'm just kidding.
Taekwondo. Yes, I actually think it was Taekwondo.
No. Yeah, so midnight price up here, giving us some trouble for these longs. They could, acts as support or resistance.
Right.
If we had a strong break, and then a retest, I would be interested in longs. But just giving us some trouble here.
Two breaks ago, there was a decent break, but there's also you up right above. So.
Yeah, tough spot here.
Yeah.
Tough spot for sure.
We are in a discount now. I think 50% of this move. We kind of tapped into the discounted area for this range. I wouldn't be surprised if it did trade higher.
Shout out disciplined trader coming in here and saying that he's not trading, that he's disciplined. Sheesh.
No trades today. I have 2 trades a week. Dang. That's some discipline for sure.
That's a W right there.
With a 3, trader with a 3? Okay. He's going hard.
I think we're having a long confirmation right here on the 2-minute time frame. In the 5-minute too, it's a nice close. So hopefully we can just reach the 4-hour gap. No news Monday.
Monday, just a Trump tweet Tuesdays, but it's a Monday.
Yes.
We should have a Trump tweet Tuesdays party, pizza party.
We
send pizza to everybody on stream.
Yeah, but it's an NFT instead of actual pizza. It's an NFT.
NFT Tuesdays.
They need to make one.
Fridays.
They need to make a pizza NFT.
Pizza NFT? Put Papa John's in there.
Get me a slice of that.
Kit Kat bars.
Ooh. All right.
I don't know why all these little slogans have been like coming to my mind while I'm on stream, but like the other one that just went through my mind, and the reason I said Kit Kat bars, give me a break, give me a break.
Those are fire.
The 2-minute looks good. 2-minute looks good.
If I get my payout this week, I'll do 60 people in here right now. Free pizza. All right, Colin, we're banking on this. We're all hungry. We're as hungry as you are. Bro, my trade though. Let's talk about that. It did work. Yeah, I mean, see, wait, hold on. Read and respond, humans. That little 1 minute, we came down, closed below it. That's when I would have gotten out of the trade because it tells me it's not worth keeping. And then we close above it. That's when you could have gotten back in the trade because we inversed it. And then there you go, wee. Once you close above that, you know you're going higher. So fun. POC is still like right up here, and that's definitely at 80% setup. So get busy, market. Do what Trump says.
It's gonna fill the 4-hour gap though.
Sorry, meant to mute it, but didn't. Pizza on Colin. Yeah, if you're here right now, you got to prove yourself so Colin knows. 60 people got to get pizza. What about people that are not in America? How are we going to handle that?
We send them some curry.
What? Oh my
That was bad.
What? They would love it. I would love some. I like some curry. Fuck. All right, I'm looking to take some short here.
Careful. Don't emotional shade. Wait, let me see what you're taking. You're going up. You're up.
So yeah, I want to tap into this gap, some mitigated gap, and come and take this no wick on the 15. I like to target these no wick candles as they're forming. So like we got one over here and we got one over here that's forming. This just never tapped back into it. I use those as targets of liquidity. It might go without us. But I would like to tap into here.
Target no wick candles?
Yeah. So that's some sauce if you guys want to know some sauce.
That's the devil's mark. That's how it's called.
Devil's mark. Exactly.
Yeah.
You know, it's the devil's mark.
So you're talking about...
Yeah, so I if a candle doesn't have a range, so you know, on the candlestick you got a range is like how can I like draw this? So like this is the candle, and then you have the low, but if you don't have a high that was put in, you could target that as liquidity to fill that range. For example, it's like a because every candle needs to have a range. And if it doesn't, then it needs to, the market looks to balance that range at some point. So what I like to do, it might take it. It might take it. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, it took it. Damn. Left without us. All right. Anyways, next trade.
What were you trying to get in on? What were you trying to get in on?
On the short, to fill that no wick, like I was talking about. But it took it already. It took it already.
Did it? Which no wick? Like the current 15-minute?
So yeah, the current 15-minute, it was there was no bottom wick to it.
Okay.
Now there is already. So it filled its range to the downside.
Yeah. Okay.
But I wanted to catch it up here. You know, it's just a tough play. It's more advanced. It's really advanced.
It sounds so advanced. So advanced. All right. So this one at 8:15, right?
Oh yeah. 8:15. Let me see. Our time? No.
I mean like 9:45 p.m.
9:45.
Yeah.
It's 6:45.
6:45. Sorry.
Yeah.
Time zones. So basically, 6:45 candle at 815, like 29, 815.
Mm-hmm.
So you just would be looking for that to get.
Yeah, to get engaged with. Yeah. So if I could find a good spot here to get long, I would like to trade it up to that no wick area.
Okay. I like it. I like it. Simple's great.
Yeah, you gotta keep it simple. VWAPs.
Now I'm gonna be looking at all these candles. Like, where are the no wick candles? Oh, I see another one. It got engaged. Ooh.
Yeah.
All kinds of them. Yeah, I'm gonna have
Angel,
it.
do you use those at all?
A what?
Do you use those at all? The devil mark?
Yeah. When it's like too obvious, I'll mark it out because they're always like in liquidity. And it's beautiful when you have it like in a trend and you know the price is gonna pull back on that. It's perfect though.
Exactly. Yeah, see, that's the only thing why I'm like sketched out to take this, because it's not in trend, right? Like this would be better. Like if I were to take it here, say again.
It's when I think when it's against the trend, it's just work as a target to take.
Yeah.
More than just like a trigger point, but yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Erkan, did you set up your affiliate thing?
Yeah. Let me see.
Stephanie, he's using Devil's Mark on the 15-minute right now. Do you use other time frames or not so much?
No, just 15-minute time frame.
Okay, just the 15
minutes. Just 15 Yep.
Okay, so Pat is asking about the discount code. So the discount code is for a giveaway, which you can be a part of if you have an account with E8 Markets and you're verified already. You connect it to your Discord and you should be able to go into our game chat on Discord and get in there to that giveaway using the code Erkan. As soon as Erkan gets us an affiliate code, you can also use that affiliate code as a discount code. So we are currently sitting at, heck yeah, 68 people watching right now from YouTube. If you haven't already, drop a like on the stream. It is free to support us. We are here to educate. We are here to bring fun. We're here to bring fun to you guys. So we always appreciate the support, and it helps us grow so we can extend to further hours. We have guests on every single day. If you ever have people that you want on, let us know. Yes, nice, Stephanie. Good job. I set her up yesterday. We went to PF Chang's, which I have not been since I was 16. And we got some noodles and some chicken and some beef. And we sat down and set up all of the thingamabodges.
Did you use chopsticks?
Yes, of course I use chopsticks.
Very nice.
I don't think Stephanie did, but I did.
Stephanie's your roommate, right?
No, Stephanie is this amazing woman that I met at Ulta, the makeup store. And we were just chatting. I saw her. She's blue eyes, blonde hair. And I was like, I need a color palette. And she probably has one. So we started chatting about makeup and different lip combos, you know, all the good stuff that I know you love. Yeah, and we started chatting, and then she was like, so like, what do you need, you know, the new makeup for? And I was like, I have to live stream. And she was like, whoa, live stream. Heck yeah, guys, 55 likes. Thank you so much. We just literally like pumped likes. You guys are awesome. So yeah, she helped me with makeup, and then I was like, yeah, I day trade on live stream, and I'm starting this new job, and I think I should probably like have some sort of makeup. And then she's like, wait, you day trade? I day trade. And then we got into it, and I was like, I have to take this woman under my wing.
Nice.
Now we're besties.
That's dope.
Yes.
That's dope.
Actually, wait.
Erkan, you want to be my bestie too? Erkan.
Yeah, man.
Let's be
I
besties,
got you,
bro.
man.
All right,
You're
let's
right.
do it. All right, deal.
I'll
Bet,
be right
bet.
Woo!
All right, I pretty much just cleared all my winners from last night because I took the short on gold with calling. It was not even market up, and he was like, gold is gonna dump.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
Are you serious? And he was like, it's gonna dump. And then just like 2 hours after the open, I had like a that confirmation to take a short.
Yeah,
but
we had the
shorts
shorts at. It's okay, man. It happens.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it all day. It's fine. The first one was beautiful. The second one kind of like laying on me because of the bad stop placement, I'll say, because I should have still run in this one for sure.
Yeah. Where was your stop on the second one?
My stop was around 50 points because I wanted to risk 1K as well, and I just closed it earlier because when I saw this candle, I knew we were just gonna retrace a little bit deeper, so I had to close around here. But yeah.
And you're trading minis too, huh?
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, so
if I were trading micros,
sniper.
I could.
Yeah, you would be chilling.
I could.
Yeah, that's the double-edged sword with trading the minis. It's like, yeah, you get great P&Ls, but you can't keep it. You can't have the wiggle room with your stop.
Yeah, 100%. That's the only
and
thing.
In this market, it's like you need that room.
Exactly.
You need that room. Crazy candles. Like I was doing the minis for a while, but then I was getting smoked, and then I was like, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna start using micros as well. But there's something.
We need to take you off screen because you've had too many losses today. We don't want to scare people away from stream.
I have only 2 losses, and we have to show them though. There's no one that can win every single day.
Nah,
that's something with X that I see those calendars like all green, and I'm like, bro, I don't know what they're doing. Like, is that even real? But I mean, they're real. They're definitely real. I used to know what they're doing. Actually, my boy Erkan has a beautiful green calendar as well. I saw your calendar last week.
Oh yeah, you saw that?
It was the whole week. It's straight into green though. Beautiful. That was.
Thank you, bro.
Insane.
Thank you.
That was insane, brother. Insane.
Yeah.
You had Monday to Friday.
And I was on vacation.
Friday.
I was on vacation too.
Oh my god.
Crazy.
Fantastic.
Taking
guys,
payouts.
I want to show chat real quick something. If you guys trade on TradingView and you want to show us stuff, like we would love to see your markups and talk about them. We can bring them on screen. I'm pretty sure you can do that by going here and doing copy link and then dropping it in the chat. And then we should be able to get it some way or the other way. I don't know. We'll see. But try it out. Let's see if one of y'all send us a link and show us one of your trades so we can see if we can pull it up, because I'd love to engage more with what you guys are trading as well. If you have, do your markups though, like write out, why you took a specific trade, like give us detail into why your stop loss, your take profit, your entry, and we can run little reviews on your trading and tell you what's right and wrong and stuff. If you want to learn, get more out of it. Somebody drop me a link. Mine's on my link tree. You can even see a live chart. I don't know if you're joking or not. That sounds crazy. A live chart?
Really?
Yeah, I don't know.
Bushido.
Did that work?
No, hold on. Let me see. Maybe in the Discord. No, they can't post links in the Discord. Guys, you can drop it in my Discord. There you go. You can drop it in my Discord in the general chat, and
They cannot drop links here. That's weird.
In the chat, they can't do links in the chat.
I don't think so. It makes
What
sense.
about the game chat?
In the YouTube chat?
Okay, there's a link, but yeah, I can't. Okay, no, I can't click it, so it doesn't work. But yeah, if you guys want to do it in my Discord, you can do it there. Just do it in the general chat.
So I did the affiliate thing, and it says
It needs approval.
Yeah, it needs approval.
And you'll do what you do best.
It's just Erkan.
Send me your email. Send me your email, Erkan.
In the private chat.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay.
Or you can send it to me. Or you can just tell the world what your email is. Like, why not?
I don't need Nigerian scammers.
Why not? That's the
Too
fun.
many. Too many to handle.
So because I'm not trading, I am just marking out, potential trades.
I think it's a chop fest today. Looks like a chop fest. Just read the session entirely.
I think there's perfectly valid trades in here. What are you guys talking about? We're chopping, but we're chopping up.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just not convinced on the longs. Like, we have been making higher lows, yeah.
Yes.
But I don't know. At this hour, tough to find like high volatility moves.
Yeah, as long as Trump shuts up and keeps to himself, then we're chilling. Hey.
I mean, you could take a cheap long here. You know what I'm saying? Let me wait. Cheap long.
You know what I'm saying? That's good.
Did you see Elliot said that he moved the meeting to tomorrow?
No, I didn't.
Well, he moved the meeting to tomorrow, and I said, oh no, me and Angel woke up at 3 a.m. to prep.
Okay.
Here's your long idea here.
Where is Ken? Ken is going to be on Thursday.
We got 71 viewers out in this BITCH. Drop a like. Drop a like below. Love to see it. Let's break our record.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You break records when Erkan's here.
Erkan, you sweet boy. It's not.
And
just kidding.
Whenever, look at this. It's not
That's
your
kidding.
case. Whenever I'm liquidity sweeping my stuff, there should be more people here. Like, we're going to hit a record, and I have to hit my stop so more people can see it.
Discord link is below, y'all. Discord link is below in the description. Ken is in Europe.
Yeah,
with his family.
UK. I think he's in the UK, I think.
Wherever he lives, yeah, in the UK. It's not in the below?
Below where? He's gonna be here on Thursday.
Angel, what is that?
Where's what?
Angel. None of our links are in the description. It just says Discord. Look at the description box. What is that?
What? Why is it looking like that? That's weird. Hold on.
I don't know. You did send me.
Oh, because I copy paste from YouTube this time. Because I felt like I had to reuse.
Send it to me so I can fix it so that people can refresh their page and it'll show up?
Yeah, hold on.
Drop that. to run and shit.
I thought it was gonna work if I do it.
I can get it from a previous one. Yeah, just never mind. I'll do it.
But don't do it from YouTube.
No. I'm doing it from a previous one that All right. So sorry about that. It's Angel's fault, but it's also my fault because I didn't check either. It's our fault. All right, cool. So save changes.
Where is Erkan though?
You should be able to buy Erkan. You should be able to refresh your YouTube and you should have a new description, I think, right? Is that how that works? Please let me know.
Let me see. That's weird. I actually didn't realize.
Erkan.
Erkan is back. He's back.
Erkan.
Okay, now it's fixed. Yeah, you just refresh, it's fixed.
You are muted right now, Erkan. And it's because your input settings are set to your microphone and not to your headphones.
Hello.
Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties today.
All
No
good.
worries. You're fine.
All good. Okay, cool. So yeah, wow, we are sitting at 75 people just like actively chilling here with us. We got 60 likes on the video. You guys are the best.
We
Love
have
that.
76. It's beautiful now that the
Nice.
average just became 80. We started at 30, so that's awesome.
No, viewers.
good.
No, we started at like 15, 20 viewers and just on YouTube, obviously, like
On YouTube, yeah, I'm just talking about YouTube though.
tuned in right now.
We're at 300 right now.
300 people tuned in right now, which is dope. But a lot of those people are on X. Yeah, can I see a little bit more of this?
Yeah, let's drop. I'm about to drop the monitors. Just blast them.
Speaking of dropping
After
monitors,
this stops, I have 3 monitors actually. I have a 3-screen setup, which I'm changing next week because I'm going to move out to a new apartment.
Dubs.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Skyrise?
show you guys, man. Maybe I cannot tell you yet, but I'll show. You'll see pictures of it. I'll have a new setup.
All right. Nice, dude.
I have a new
Congrats.
setup. Yeah. Thanks, brother. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks. You know, it's kind of harder to move out when you have like a big dog with you all the time. So just keep that in mind when you guys are getting a dog.
I understand. Because I got that dog in me, so it's just tough to.
Oh wow. Okay, yeah. I get it.
You get it. I mean, it's just tough
yeah.
in general.
insane.
Thanks, guys.
Absolutely insane.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate that.
That's funny. What do you think about these longs here, Abby?
Marking them out, but not in them.
Same.
Newbie me got stopped.
Yeah, it happens to the best.
I feel like, how do I make this bigger? Try.
I got stopped being right. I can take that.
Sorry, didn't mean to cough in the mic.
What are you laughing at, Ferdy? Little scalpy scalps? I don't know. I think we're gonna fill the 4-hour gap 100%. But it's just too ugly for me. We should have the liver.
4-hour gap. Is that on NQ or yes?
NQ.
On NQ?
Low hanging fruits right there. But technically the highs are right there. And if you look at the VWAP, that's kind of a good break, but not really. So we'll probably come back and play around this price a little bit, like wee, blah. Can you
like
crop
that.
that out of the video, please? Just delete that.
No,
one.
I'm not doing it.
No.
I'm not
I need
doing
you
it,
to
Abby.
take the
No.
video down and crop it out. Your Discord link doesn't work. Ugh! I don't like Discord. I don't get it. All right, hold on. Give me like 2 seconds. Send
Erkan, when you're trading, you're copy trading across all your accounts, or you have like wallets
yeah,
to take another
I
trade
do.
if you lose.
I do it manually, so I don't copy trade. I just do it like manual executions. That's
So you
how
go
I
across.
yeah.
Guys,
That's how it's called risk sinking.
risk sinking.
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't you feel like that take you out of the zone when you have to switch from a platform to another one to execute, or is the same thing?
No, I've trained like that for many years. So I use that as like
Okay.
a confluent to be like, okay, are you ready to fire? Okay, go on this second platform, you know.
Beautiful.
I did set
Yeah.
it
That's
to
a-
never expire, my friend. I just
That's a
don't
professional trader right there, guys.
Woo! Thank you.
that part. A professional.
Alright. How do you can become a professional trader? Is that
You
even
name
a word?
yourself
to
market
text?
athlete.
Yeah, you gotta do the bio. You gotta have emojis in the bio.
Okay.
You gotta name
Okay.
everything. You gotta name your farm as well.
Yeah, you gotta do that.
You gotta
So
name
I
that.
I think how much, like, what's the number in payouts for you to be a professional trader?
55,000.
55,000?
1 million.
Guys, okay, actually, chat. We're gonna
1 million is crazy.
We're gonna do a second giveaway today. Right?
Probably 650. Yeah, like 100K.
Okay, let's do this.
Hold on.
I have an idea. If you guess,
No. Do you guys know how much you've taken in payouts in total? Like a pretty exact number?
Not an exact, no.
But
Not
like
exact.
Ballpark, like lifetime payouts, but like
don't
20,
say it, don't
30.
say it, don't say it.
Oh, damn it.
Did you say it?
No, maybe. I don't know.
Did he say it, guys?
I don't know.
Okay, drop it in the private chat. Both of you. Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second to look at mine. Get like a more precise number, like Erkan, because that's a big gap.
Okay.
Try to if you can.
Just do the middle.
that's a good one. I don't think they will get it. You're immune.
You muted.
Sorry, it's because I coughed my lungs out real quick. Cards, recipients, payments. Got it. Payments. Home.
You're guessing the payout number. I think it's better if we do something like first payout. I can tell you the exact my first payout number. But you know what? When I got my first payout, I was still in debt, so I didn't feel like, that emotion of the first payout. It was like just the first payout and then
Did you say
back.
you were so much in debt?
I mean, but when I got the first payout, I was still in debt, so it was not that positive, and I didn't feel like that hype of getting my first payout like you're supposed to get. And it was more like, okay, I need to keep doing this.
Mm.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So I didn't feel that excitement. Kind of sad.
And then no payouts for like 6 months, right?
Literally, that's what I did.
I know. Why does that happen? I don't know. For some reason, it's like
It's a psychology thing.
yeah. Big
I think
time.
a lot of it is to do with the fact that we sit there and we're like, was it luck? Am I even a good trader?
I think a lot of it has to do with expectations. Putting in time for something and then expecting something in return. And then, like in your brain, you're like, okay, I did this before. Why can't I do it again? It's just like a kind of a shitty cycle.
Yeah, I mean it's true. Like psychology after payout really stumps you.
Mhm.
Like, well, I did this once. Why is it not coming?
That's why I'm like, I don't want to go for like home run payouts because that's gonna mess with my brain.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay, why can't I make 10 grand payout right now?
What was the split? Are we counting splits or not? Like the pocket money or like the money that you're paid out?
I don't know what we're doing.
Well, I'm trying to.
Trade trader.
Let's guess. Let's guess Erkan first payout in mind. I'll give a giveaway.
The first number.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the first number. First number in that I got paid out in.
But you need to give a hint, right? Like
no, don't give a
account
hint.
size.
No, don't give a hint.
Accounts.
Why would you give a hint? Okay, everybody, go to the private chat real quick and drop your first payout. And
I don't know what the number is. Hold on.
What we'll do is have somebody guess.
Company. I cannot tell the company.
Huh.
At least for me, I cannot say the company name.
Okay, so you guys, in order to like take part in this little raffle thing that we're about to do, you have to be on the YouTube stream so that you can like drop a comment. But yeah, we're gonna do a little.
Is that the exact number, Erkan? Is it to the T?
Yeah, to the T. That's what I made.
Okay, so we have a winner already then.
No, we're gonna do them like all three together.
All three
okay.
together?
Yeah, like they have to get all three numbers or like the closest person, and we'll do like 1 minute timer. So don't start guessing yet, guys. It's not gonna amount to anything. What is yours, Angel? Okay. All right, so you have to put it in this format. Erkan, Abby, Angel. So put 3 numbers. They're all above 1,000 and below 10,000. That's your hint. So 3 numbers above 1,000, below 10,000. Erkan, Abby, Angel. Only 3 numbers. And we're going to give you guys 60 seconds. And the first person that gets the closest, you will take the bait. So here we go. Take the bait.
First payout for each.
Right.
I think Colin knows how much is it for me.
Well, that's fine. Colin doesn't matter because he doesn't know mine. Or Erkan's. All right, we're going. 60 seconds. It's a really dirty phone. 60 seconds on this giveaway, y'all. 60 seconds. Erkan, Abby, Angel. Erkan, Abby, Angel.
This was a good one.
Ooh.
Angel
Erkan, Abby, Angel.
It's gonna be hard for them to.
You got 30 seconds on this giveaway, y'all. 3 numbers above 1,000.
5,200. No, you're very, very far.
Chat is they're good.
They're good. Yeah.
They're good. They're guessing. My hints.
Ooh.
That's about to end. So in 10 seconds, I'll give my hints.
All right, Angel. 10 seconds. 3 numbers. Erkan, Abby, Angel. It's above 1,000, below 10,000. We are guessing the amount of our first payouts. And we're done. All right. Chat.
All right. Chat. My first payout came from 550K accounts. So it cannot be 700 and it cannot be 1K. There's like one guy very, very close to it.
Okay, hold on. Let's look through these real quick. So we stopped at 34. So no entries after 34.
No more entries, guys. Stop typing it. Stop typing it.
Stop typing, please. All right, here. Let's see. So the answer is this. Erkan's first payout was 2,000. My first payout was 9,100, and Angel's first payout was 2,500. So that's the answer. Now we have to go find.
Let's go.
Chat, help us out. Now we have to go find who is the closest to all 3 numbers.
Oh my god.
There's a guy. There's one guy that got
a lot of people got my number.
Yeah.
A lot of people got yours. I think mine stumped people, but somebody got really close. Alberto got really close. Let's see. So right now,
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. This one is really close.
That's not
Very close.
That's not the closest though. There's a closer one.
You sure?
Hold on, I saw it. Let me go.
Bushido, yeah, you did.
All right, let's go through these. 1500, 1200, 18, 2000, 15, 12, 5. Ooh, that one's kind of close. That one's kind of close. How do we do this? Okay, so I'm gonna have to like actually pull some mathematics real quick.
That guy got it got 2 rights to the T and just your payout wrong, so that's not bad at all, I'd say.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I think the way that we could do this is like how many hundreds of dollars they were off. So like this one, for example,
I don't know. Okay.
I requested $500 from 5 accounts. It was not too much, but it was 5 accounts.
Muhandari. Kind of close to Muhandari.
Ouch, TM. Okay. Somebody said 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. That's a good guess.
Yeah. Spreading the
35, 8,000. Yo, this Med had a lot of hope for you.
Yeah, Med had Erkan on that.
And Angel, what? Med, that is so rude.
Someone said you got $200, Abby. I forgot.
Somebody said you got $200. You guys are so mean.
I mean, what do you mean your first payout was 9,100? That's insane. I would be happy with that as my first payout.
Hell yeah. You set the standard pretty high.
Yeah.
My first payout, can you see it? Hold on.
Yeah.
9,100. It
Nice.
came in one thing from Top Step. Three payments. 3 accounts of 3,000.
Yes.
Good job.
Yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good thing with
Copy
such
trading.
conditions. There are certain conditions that actually make you have like a big one day and then you just
15,
flip it.
12, 3,000, 200, 6K. Oh, you are so rude. Just kidding.
Yeah.
200. You just
200.
said 200
for Angel. That's
My
so
God.
mean. So mean.
Oh
Poor
my
Angel.
God.
And that's about futures.
12, 24, 12. I love you, Stephanie. Thanks. Okay, Erkan, 55, 35, 25. Wow. Angel's a better trader than me. Realistically, he should have had a bigger payout than me, but I was copy trading.
In EA, you can look at EA. You have 7K on EA. I have less than 200 on EA.
Owie. Why do you say you
EA
win?
payouts? My EA payout.
2,1900. 55, 35, 25, 17, 12, 7, 38, 25, 200, 5,200 between all of you. 2,000, 2,000, 55, 35, 25, 50,
You know it.
32, 56. That one's not too far off. Let me check that one real quick. Okay, wait. Mathematics. Give me 1 second. 32 is how much off? It was 2K, so that's like 1,200 off.
You're so smart, Abby.
Bro, I'm so not. I'm
You
gonna
are though.
calculator 9,100 minus 5,600, 3,500. This is like probably the worst giveaway that we could have done because it's like a lot of
it's creative.
a lot of math for the brain. 4,100. 8. Okay. So those are 2 closest right now. Oh, that one's pretty close too. So TZED is off by 500, 1,000, and Erkan, yours was 2, so 2,000. That might be the closest one that we have so far.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like
But I'm not done yet.
Mandir, or it was like Mandir. Or...
Let's see. I'm only up to like. Oh, okay. This one's pretty close too. Petru.
Okay, you can put the closest people and get them to say the firm now.
Hold on. Yeah, we could do that, but like also wouldn't they just win if they guessed all the numbers?
They will never guess mine, I think.
90. No, that we don't need to do that. We'll have a winner. 9,100 minus 7,500 is 16. So, oh, there's some close ones. Owie, Valar. That's sad.
200. Guys, like.
Erkan, 2,000, Owie, 4,000. Oh, yeah.
Is there a giveaway in the game chat?
Yes, there is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you guys haven't already, go to the game chat and join the other giveaway.
That was the closest, in my opinion. It's far from your payout.
Am I the code for that one? Looks like.
Do what? Yes, you're the code.
Okay.
You are the code.
Your name is the code.
So that one's also close, but I don't think it's the closest. Erkan.
Yes, ma'am.
They got your back in this one.
Woo! 333.
Oh, wow, that's a huge one.
All right, cool. So I have all of the things right here. Look how organized I am. Psych.
Telling you.
All right, so
Can you even make 20K on a payout with futures?
3,200,
right?
3,500.
I don't think so.
6,700.
Unless you're doing the 20 Apex.
Yeah, that's the only way possible to do it, I think. Mm-hmm. If you get it, for sure.
2,500 plus 1,600. 4,100. This is a very complicated giveaway. All right, so we do have a winner, and it would be TZ. TZ is our winner.
TZ dubs in the chat for TZ.
Don't be in the chat until I find it.
Oh.
Where is it?
Nah, it was not MFF because I was not able to trade my Forex funds when I was a staff on it.
FTMO.
Where is this?
I don't think, is that one right? Is that FTMO was your first payout, Erkan?
No, it was my first challenge I passed though.
Okay. Now you guys can W's in the chat for TZ Cap. You are the winner of that little giveaway that we just did. So what you'll need to do is make sure you have an account with E8 Markets and verify yourself. Actually, you don't need to do that, but you should probably verify yourself because you're going to need to if you're going to have an account. And then DM me from this username on Discord. I'll drop my Discord link one more time. DM me from your username on Discord and let me know what your username is, actually.
Abihosa is the winner, though. It's kind of like way off.
How is it?
It's in
because
money numbers.
Oh, no, it's not this one. Hold on. It's just that username. That's not his.
Oh, okay.
I'm not close.
Okay.
I'll find it.
I was like,
yeah.
Way off.
Real quick, hold on. He comes in purple.
I feel offended. What do you mean $200?
Right?
What do you mean? I mean, no, my first EA payout is actually $197. And I had to record the entire way from the challenge to payout in Spanish. It's in my Instagram, so you can go and take a look. So I had to
Really?
do it live, record every single day to get to a payout. Yeah, I was trading. It was kind of like a challenge from the cheapest way to do it. So I had to do a 25K futures, kind of like trading one micro only per trade. You know, just to show that for the people. So if you guys want to take a look, and if you understand Spanish, just go and take a look into it.
It's this one. This one was.
Are you still in gold trade? Well, gold trade. No, I didn't take any gold trades.
I'm gonna mute my mic and.
I have a weird cough too, Abby. I don't know what it is.
I've had a residual cough after I got like the flu and stuff. I don't know if it was the flu, but this is the one that won, Angel.
Erkan 4K, Abby 8K, Angel 3K. Yeah, this one is close.
Yeah.
I still think like the guy that got Erkan in my.
You'd think so, but he was off by over $5,000. Like.
Well, yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, I was just counting up like who was just closest with everything in general. Let me see. Another thing is
first payout. Got space. No, my first payout was not in that firm.
Bye, Colin. I mean, Chris. I don't know what your name is for real.
See ya, Colin.
Later, Colin Rice. Okay, perfect. All right. Again, to TZ cap, I need you to tell me real quick in the chat, what is your username on Discord so that I can look out for you to message me about this giveaway.
Shall I pull up the list?
Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah,
do you mind if I try my screen to see if this one doesn't lag?
Yeah, that'd be great. Run it.
Let me see though.
Here, there I go. TZ cap, I am looking for your username on Discord, please. In the chat. Drop it in the chat.
We have 60 entries. I know. Tell me about the time.
Okay, perfect. Your username's TZCap. Just go ahead and message me real quick if you can. Let me know your email for E8 Markets, and then please let me know whether you want. We'll probably send you like a pro account or something. So please let me know if you're Forex futures or crypto.
2 minutes, a lot. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. We can do 1 hour.
Yeah, let's do 1 hour. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have fun. Yeah, no, the longer we stay on though, like we actually the numbers get better in the afternoon, which is hilarious because people don't know that you shouldn't trade lunch hour. They just pop in when they wake up.
Yeah, we have more people, more audience.
You guys need a lunch hour stream.
Yeah, for sure. We'll definitely do it once the numbers get better.
Well, that's how you get the numbers better.
Yes, yeah. You're right, but at the same time, like I don't think that they are going to want to extend or like, you know, like it's got to make sense for them, you know. Obviously,
give me time.
Push a bunch of money out in whatever they need the numbers to like do better.
Give me time. Give me time. Give me time.
Erkan, what do you think? How long should you do on the giveaway?
Oh, let's do a 3-minute giveaway.
3 minute. All right, I'll take it.
3 minutes.
Well,
3 minute. Love it. All right, in that 3 minutes, do you want to talk about? I know that you've recently started coaching with Tanner. Do you want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah. So recently started doing the group coaching with Strong Trading. If you guys know Tanner Owens, he's the Strong Trader on Instagram, and he does coaching one-on-ones, group style. We do live streaming. It's just super in depth, and we're really focused on process rather than profits. So it's all about just like honing on the process, just drilling that in. And if you need accountability, hit me up. And we're Tanner. We would love to coach you. and take it to the next level. You know, get you consistent payouts. That's what it's all about. You know, having somebody for you that's gonna, you know, keep you accountable, make sure that you're, you know, staying true to your plan, you know, doing your report cards. So like every day you're journaling, you know, you're going over those kinds of things. Any questions or, you know, you need advice or anything, just hitting us up anytime. And it's a good platform to, you know, to grow. So definitely hit us up.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
And I, real quick, guys, if you want to follow along with Erkan and find out more information about this, refresh your YouTube. I just put his new thingy, Market Athlete, so you can find him there. If you don't refresh the page, you're not going to see it though. So market.athlete is going to be the username for that, and you can find it in the description if you refresh your YouTube.
Sorry, guys. It's hard to take you serious when you hear the docking. You know what I mean?
Right.
You know,
You do.
Erkan was like, you know, guy, yeah, but I know how to turn that off. Huh?
You can mute that thing.
Okay, I think it's the way to do it. I'm sorry, Erkan. That was great. That's awesome.
That's funny. That would be funny if T's cap gets it again with his little English suit on there.
It's really funny that you have your, I'm going to put you on blast here, your little icon. I made mine on like ChatGPT.
But it's actually me, but it's just like, you know.
Is this the chatted up version?
But you think it's not you? I made a thumbnail with that picture. Did you check her Discord announcements?
It's me. It's me, bro.
Check EA Discord.
Oh la la. Stops hit. Stops hit.
Oh, you guys do poker too?
Yeah, we do it all.
Game chat? Wow. You guys do it all.
Chat. They do poker, yeah.
Do you play poker?
Yes.
You do. You said that like so enthusiastically.
I love poker.
You love it.
I love it.
Are you a shark? Poker shark?
It's honestly, it really is hit or miss, but
5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Neon with his neon suit.
I will say, have we
Does.
seen Neon in the past week?
I think so. Neon, when was the last time that you won an account? I think it was last week. W Neon. So we will have to do another dog race, but it's gonna last like 30 seconds. It's gonna last like that time.
Wait,
Oh,
but
he won last week.
don't just run another one without confirming that. Let's
No. I know.
Find out. Duh.
I'm trying to find his chat. Neon, please. Blink if you need help.
Blink if you need help. That's amazing. All right.
It's been a week exactly. What do you mean? Let me see.
TZ. I need to see TZ. Where are you
He
at?
knows.
DM me.
The last time Neon got an account, it was.
It was the
26th.
26th. He's good. He's chilling. Right?
It was on the 6th, actually. July 6th.
July
it's
6th.
exactly 1 week.
Ooh, 7 days. July 6th. 7,
yeah,
9, 10, 7.
let's do it. Let's run it again.
Yeah,
Yeah, Neon, I'm sorry, brother.
It is the rules.
I'm really
Refill
sorry.
those ducks, please.
We like you, Neon.
We love you, Neon, and thank you so much for being here for us, but we have to run it again because it is the rules. 3 minutes. Whoa. Yeah, take out. Here's the ones that you need to take out. Neon.
Yeah, take me out too.
Erkan, what are you doing?
Did you
Take
add
me
yourself? That's fine.
I don't know
You
what I
should
was doing.
be able to. It's fine.
That's funny.
You should have a right to win an account as well.
Is he here?
Alright.
D-Hot, this is D-Hot, bro. I'm gonna take it out as well.
There's. What's the date? Does anybody know the date?
Bushido actually won an account
13th.
last Monday, so you're out of the list.
You're out of the list. Who else we got?
Gonna go ahead and take a payout here. Live, taking a payout.
You're taking a payout live?
Yes.
Can I see? We can't see your screen because you're not
Well,
sharing.
It
my
depends.
personal account. It's my personal account, so that's all my personal stuff. But yeah, I try to take a daily payout. I've been doing that past couple of
That's
weeks.
beautiful.
And it's been good.
Nice.
Yeah,
Love
it feels
that.
good.
I remember like 2 years ago, I put like 3K on Tradeobay, and I was thinking like this is the same thing as trading 100K challenge. It's kind of like
Yeah,
the same
dude.
thing.
That's
And
Can you do like a
and I
60
was-
second, my boy?
Oh yeah, and I was doing like I'm gonna do it 1 minute. I was thinking like from 1K to $900 a week. And that was great. I mean, that was. It's beautiful when you can do that because when you think you have like the consistency to start. Though this guy is still there. Is that the same guy?
What?
Okay, never mind.
What?
It's too late to enter, but tomorrow you can participate on the giveaway as well.
Yeah, guys. If you didn't get a chance to enter the giveaway, we do them Monday through Friday. So what you'll need to do before coming back tomorrow, create an account on E8 Markets and verify yourself, and then connect your Discord to your E8 Markets account. Yeah, you didn't remove TZ.
Yeah, I can see that, but no worries.
Now-
C Trader, I can remember. He was kind of sad last week, so if he wins, it's gonna be fun. Collins, who's that? Collins. Is that Collins Rice? Oh my god!
Collins.
Is it? I don't know
Look
if it
at
is.
this guy.
Who is it?
Collins
Could be.
55. Who's this?
Yeah, who's Collins 55?
Collins 55. Show one on the chat, or if you
You
don't
got it.
claim your prize, goes to the next person.
Part of me wants to know, like, if somebody entered
I mean, they have to be here
and
and
they're
claim the
not
prize.
here, like,
Otherwise,
nobody ever, like,
Yeah.
does that. Yeah.
You gotta be here to claim the prize.
yeah,
Even though this is
100%.
our homie.
We'll give you 1 minute in the chat.
1 minute to collect this.
Or I'm just
collect
gonna
the-
run it again
the
for
bread.
30 seconds until we have
Yeah,
a
but
winner.
take out
There he is.
Colin.
Colin. There he is.
Oh, is that
Yes!
our winner?
Is that you?
Collins.
that our winner? You did it. Yes, W's in the chat for our winner. W's for Collins. All right, cool.
Okay.
So yeah, you're gonna claim that by DMing me on Discord, and I shall drop a new link to my Discord so that you can figure that out, because I don't know how to figure that out. But yeah, DM me on Discord from that username and we'll get you in there. Let me know if you want futures or Forex or crypto, and let me know if you know, thing. So yeah, thanks guys so much for tuning in with us today. We are here again Monday through Friday. We have guests on every single day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for the 76 likes on the YouTube video. Love that. Love to see it. Thanks for supporting our stream, and we will see you guys tomorrow. If you were not a part of the giveaway today, you can create an account on EA Markets and verify yourself, and then you'll be able to join the giveaway tomorrow. So that was a mouthful. To find all of us, you should go down to the description box and you'll find everybody's social down there, social security numbers and all. Yeah. Great job, everybody.
What?
Great job to everybody except for Angel, who was our liquidity. Once again.
I mean, I did great. What do you mean? I did
No, he
great.
did a great job being
Oh,
able
he
to
did
handle the
great.
losses.
I
You did a great job,
composure.
manage it, kept his composure, everything.
I didn't tilt. I actually closed the
Yeah.
trade early when I saw it was not gonna work, and I just
Guys.
folded plans. That's how you do it.
If you want to see a profitable trader, study Angel. Like, it's all
Yeah,
about
Angel's
like
a great trader. I was kidding.
it's
We love it.
it's all about how you handle losses. You could make winning trades all day, but how you handle losses is what you're gonna determine your success. So like study
So how do you handle losses?
how you handled that was
Say what?
just
How do you handle losses?
I just throw the monitor against the wall, but while you guys are not seeing, and then I just smile here. I'm joking. I'll take it easy though. I'll take it easy.
Angel, what happens when you get off stream?
When I get off stream, I have things to do, so I really just quick the charts. And the good thing about trading minis is when I'm getting smacked, it's hard enough for me to go and try to put more risk on. You know what I mean? So I just follow the plan and get away. That's a good thing about trading minis. But yeah, ciao guys. Catch you all later. See you on the beat. Trade safe. Be careful out there. Love you all.
Guys, thank you so much for being here with us. Erkan, thank you for coming and hanging out with us on stream again. Bestest. Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow for Market Open.
Peace.
Okay, bye.